Today I am showing the Phalaenopsis orchid. Sometimes this is known as a moth orchid, and this plant is native to the Southeast Asia, and this is the most popular and rewarding orchid in the world. So look at the leaves. Leaves are really broad leaves, and it's very leather leaves, and all the leaves starting from here, and you can see we call it as a rosette shape, and then from the middle that the spike will come up, and then it's go up to the top, and on top of the spike you can see the flowers. So based on the color, you can find different types of Phalaenopsis. Sometimes they are white, yellow, or this is the purple Phalaenopsis. And these flowers normally last 2 to 3 months. Look at the flower, how beautiful these are. And sometimes if we have a lots of flower, it's really hard to stand alone. So you need to support and then encourage. Okay, there's a leaflet. We'll see what are the requirements. So these are prefer good light but never direct sunlight. So if you are growing this one in your lovely indoor plant, you better to keep in the east facing window. This is the ideal place. And how you're going to water this plant? Once a week during the growing season is enough. And we need the warm position and the fertilize regularly. Let's see how about the potting mixture. Yeah, so you need the well-drained potting mixer, mostly the bark, chips, so sphagnum moss or brick pieces are really ideal because this aerial root doesn't like more water. So if you have Phalaenopsis orchids grow in your garden, please comment in the section which color you have or what are the special requirements you need.